How is this man cooking? This woman carry bomb for mouth, my sister. Ah, I forgot Gabu. Your test time is finished.
My people, I think I don't watch Lily. I don't watch Lily po. Wait till he do my sister. He bring my sister come in China because him mouth dey smell. If my sister mouth dey smell, wait till come dey. Wait till dey. My people, I was shortalized when I see Lily po after I don't do with my sister for inside house finish. See bring her come out for China. Welcome to Naija Daughter Tv. If today the first time of coming across my YouTube channel, do what to subscribe if you never subscribe. Do what to join this beautiful family. Yes, give me a thumbs up anytime you watch my video. Please, guys, always give this girl, this lady, this yes, I be lady. Yeah, always give me thumbs up. Big no, please, s'il vous plaît. Give me thumbs up. I bring our sister Lily Po. Lily Po come my channel about mouth odor when she talk about say somebody get mouth odor. She said she never watch that video. Me na go watch that video. Me na see how my sister after I don't bulala my sister for inside house, he still bring her come her China. In fact, it does gwa her. My people, I don't know what I go talk. Lily post say her mouth dey smell. She said she no need to talk to her. She do one like she wash am like this. She look am like this. She say, Lipo, you dey find trouble, sha? You be trouble. If I trouble not dey find, now you dey find trouble. My people, my text to wetin Lilipo talk, my own opinion to wetin Lilipo talk. Is it Lilipo right to come out on her channel to talk? Yes, now how she feel. Initially, my beautiful sister Lilipo, I don't know that lady for anywhere. Watch this video from the beginning to the end. You'll see my own version. My beautiful sister Lilipo. Some people, it's like they born body odor, born mouth odor. Now people when you say you say brush go feel remove. You say brush go feel remove dirty for teeth. Brush go feel remove maybe mouth odor, maybe food when you eat yesterday. You not come brush or you not brush well, it dey smell. You feel handle that one. You not see all those natural bodies odor, mouth odor. Forget. Brush cannot do it. Ask me again. Brush cannot do it. Ask me again. Here when I say me, you ask me again. Why I want chook my mouth for inside this Lilipo talk when she talk about mouth, person get mouth odor, everywhere pollute, you will feel do like there, then you will smell here, you will feel say the mouth, your mouth dey smell. Like person like me, they do that well. I go even hold my hand like this. I'll smell am whether my mouth dey smell. I dey do my own like that. Mostly, no say mostly we won't dey abroad. If you be person wey no dey eat garlic, person eat garlic, e pass you. Oh, mama, you wan vomit. Maybe come be the type wey no just dey maintain, wey no just dey baff. Oh, you say I beg. Anything when you want for me, just dey carry am dey go. So far, that's your odor. Carry am leave me. No say we dey abroad. Na so our food still be. Those ogbolo, egusi with ice fish. If you mix all together, you just eat and finish. Open your window, voice out. See, I just do. You go hear smell. You go hail. Where to get how your mouth take dey smell? E easy. If you be the type when dey abroad, you just eat finish, or maybe no say cold day. Just open your window, like breathe. You will perceive your mouth odor. Say, oh, this one, no. But those people when get are natural, like all those one, we know say na food. Then we need to brush our teeth. We need to brush our tongue. We need to bath. Some people sweat. They will start to woes. They'll go bath. The woes go die. But some people, no matter how they bath, no matter how you do, na lie. May I tell you one? I think Lipo talk her own. This day when me and my oga we still dey studio, we never start to dey get children. E get this my oga friend. My oga friend, e brother be relative. E come France, e dey France. Then for our city, they no dey give boys space 20 every day. They dey give them space like today. tomorrow they not get space, next tomorrow they not get space, then this person we need to put am for our studio one, studio now. Hey, if you know studio, you know studio. If you know France studio, you know France studio. My people, if you see the wozo when they perceive for the I say me go tell my oga say e friend, the brother abi relative wey carry come because of body odor, me wan come dey make as e be now. My people, I need to pack this person clothes, use my hand wash all the clothes, make sure say I wash am for where na where body dey na body dey. I say if I wan serve am I say you first baff before you eat. He go say I first eat first, babe I first eat first before I say you just give me you first baff before me go baff, maybe quit. My people, everywhere they go, no be fault no be fault. Then we can't go supermarket, go do shopping, food things, Then I could carry body spray. I could say, no, this body spray go good for am. Resona, it go good for am. I can't buy am. Mostly you get one perfume when you carry come for Africa. If you spray am, oh God. My people, I want, in fact, I dey find where my nose. In fact, it be like say my head. Oh go, Baba, no be as I dey talk am so. With one studio. My people, na so I will carry. We come buy the body spray. I come say, this this body spray go good for you. I beg, just dey spray am. He say, oh, you can't thank me. My people, not say I dey tell una say my people. He spray am. So tey go hide am. He say, no, now when you wan go outside, now you go do. I say, no, me I buy am for you. That matter not be your babe, but with that studio, that perfume wey I dey receive now, e too harsh. We dey studio together, I beg dey spray am for me. You know say that body spray when I even buy, say at least e carry like 30% out. You see 70% e still dey with am. E hold am strong. Not be say e no dey baff e dey baff. Me na person when I dey like, I wake up, I'll baff. If you dey where I go dey use mouth, you never baff. As I go dey use mouth, they pursue you, you know say you supposed to baff. Who you dey with, say as they do it, na so you supposed to do. This person go baff. If you wake up, if you sleep our house, e go in the evening. Now me or use mouth. You don't go baff before I finish food. I be babe. I say yes. You go baff. Now lie oh. Now where we dey, now there we still dey. You see why I talk this story? Some people get am natural, no be their fault. Like my mom go say they no bath them well. Some children they not really bath them well. They not clean their mouth. Like France, now I still get woman why I stay her house. This woman, in fact, a friend was open to tell her say your mouth dey smell. Then they do the operation old for mouth. Then you see how it thick. Some people own it thick. They need to do operation like France. They do one for them. They can't even suggest this lady say make she go do one for France or for free. Now free she go do one with her hospital card. Some people get her natural. Why body spray content? Why perfume? They why a lot of things. Some people get this body odor natural. No, because by choking your brush inside your mouth to brush your teeth, brush your as you talk, say brush your tongue. Some people get a natural. My beautiful sister Lilipo. Some people not be there for. When some people now they are for the lack of maintenance. The lack of maintenance. How they will take carry their body, go inside bedroom, go bath, go sponge, go brush their teeth. Some people find that difficult. Some women say they go visit you, go they say, go bath, you go they draw body. Some people, those one, I feel blame them. You don't see the one when they get time. It be like say something they inside, it rotty for inside their stomach. You understand? If they talk, they voice, they find where it be like animal when even rotty better pass their that thing. But not beside I accuse them, will not be their fault. My sister, the main purpose of me doing this video, I dey let you they know say maybe that lady when you come across, maybe na natural one I she gets, no be by maintenance. No matter how that lady go chook brush for inside her throat, e no change anything. Wetin go change am? Operation. Yes, operation. They don't they do an operation. Or she'll go buy mouth perfume. They don't they see mouth perfume. She'll go buy mouth perfume. She'll they spray am. No matter how she brush, no matter how she chook that brush as you talk inside as your no, na lie. Now people where they don't get am, wey no get that thick odour, na all those things dey happen to some people. As dem go baff reach, as dem just dey come out for inside bathroom, that their odour e still dey with dem. Those one no be their fault. Wetin dem fit take cure am, as me know, as me dey talk am now, dem go buy different body spray, different perfume, you know, all those things. Dem go dey mix am, at least those things go strong come pass that body odour. Like one body spray no reach there. One body spray no reach there. They need different one wey go thick. Some people no be their fault o, na wetin dey find their body o. Some people they will dey shame to talk because they know say they get that mouth odour. That her husband don, you dey say her husband dey try o, maybe her husband don dey used to the to the smell, or maybe her husband don know how she take dey, you know, relate with her wife. For me, if na me be you, you know say you dey bold to talk, at least you fit call her, let her. If not, she no even be your friend, she, because I, when you come to, if na person like me, now you look like that, me will come still look you like you. I'll come look you like that, then you will come you understand. At least if you just know say you know fit relate to her, you know fit tell her say, my sister, you never baff because that strong perfume when I receive they slap me, or you just pass, because say you stand, you come look her like this, you let her know say, if una never wash am, no be my mouth na for hear am, make una go wash am for Lilipo platform. Now she talk am. Now I say me I still drop my own, you know, experience wey I don still get with some people. One stay with me, one na lady. Yes, this lady too, she still get her own still strong, but maybe now she don do operation, because that time they come dey suggest operation for her, make dem go take, because the thing was, in fact, if he wan vomit, if he in fact, no, some people no be their fault at all. Me I no blame them, because I no blame them. No matter how you brush, how them brush, no matter how them brush, that mouth odor, or no matter how they bath, that body odor they dey with them. No be their fault. Now those one where they don't get am, but they use dirty take get am, they fit cure am with bath, with all those things, they fit cure am. But those when no be dirty at all, my sister, e hard to remove. Now this one I get to talk with my beautiful sister Lilipo. Hello beauty. Yes, if you never watch that her video, me na go watch her. Okay, if you never subscribe, if you dey come, if you dey from my side, they go there, you want to go watch her. Tell her say you are coming from Naija Daughter. Be like say my body get as big. People when watch my premiere today, I know they there. Esther, I know they. Naija Daughter this morning, I know they. God bless you guys. Or I really do appreciate you guys. In fact, I appreciate you now. Aunt Lady Posh, I see you. Baba Kitchen, I see you. God bless you. I really do appreciate you now. Okay, I'm sending my love to you guys. I appreciate you guys. Yes. See, I see you now in my next video. Do where to join this beautiful family.
Last, now everybody go to breakfast.